Bella, say hello. Say hello to the viewers. Yes, Bella. Yes, Bella. Yes, Bella. Say hello to the viewers. No, don't be bad, buddy. No. Bella, say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Good girl. Buddy, stop it. Hello. Say hello, Bella. I know you want. No, stop it, buddy. Go. Say hello, Bella. Hello. Bella, say hello. Say hello. So yeah, this is Bella, and she's not even a year old yet. Isn't so cute? She's so cute. Yes, she's so cute, and she's a golden retriever, buddy. Stop it. Stop sneezing in the background. Stop it. See you then. And she's very cute, isn't that right? And she loves to play with Buddy, but Buddy's got away, so it's only me and you now. No, it's only me and you, okay? Me and you. And she can get very bored easily, so you gotta entertain her with stuff like no. Where'd you go? No. No. She can also do tricks, but I don't think she'll do it in front of the camera. Bella. Buddy, how you doing? Buddy. Bella, sit. Bella, sit. Sit, Bella. Sit. Bella, sit. Sit. Paw. Yay! Yay! So cute. You're so cute. Buddy, you're also very cute. You're also very cute. Bella's also very cute. Bella's the second favorite dog, and stop it. No, they don't get along very well. So here I'm interviewing Bella because it got up to 7 likes, and it's supposed to get up to 6, but you could smash even more. So yeah, go and check that out. So yeah, so today we're going to be interviewing Bella. So, step 1, Bella loves to eat anything, even Buddy. Is that right? Step 2, that's cute. Okay, I'm getting too distracted. Okay, Bella. Buddy, I need to interview Bella. So Bella, what's your favorite food? Chicken, okay? What's your favorite hobbies? Fighting, Buddy. No. What's your favorite hobbies? Fighting, Buddy. Okay. Who do you like, me or chicken? Thank you, Bella. You're so cute. No, you're so cute. And she has, you can count how many you think she has. Hey, Buddy. And Bella, how much likes do you think we can do another one of these? Interview Bella and Buddy at this point. So what do you think? How many likes? 6 again. So 6 again. We can smash 6 likes. I'll do like Butter Smasher or like something like tour or whatever, you know. And a Buddy. Butter. No. Don't be fighting. Buddy. Hey, man. Buddy, say goodbye. Bella, say goodbye. Say goodbye. Buddy, say goodbye. Okay, bye-bye. So, hello guys, that was a little bit crazy video, but if we can actually smash 6 likes and I'll do like something, you comment what should I do next, okay? Yeah? Sounds good. So smash the like button, don't forget to subscribe and the notifications that I'm looking at, so we don't notice for nothing. Peace. I love Ham.